to another vlog. Today is going to be a very, very long day. Ito yung pinromise ko sa inyo na vlog na organizing and closet tour. So andito yung mga organizers natin and all of the clothes are here. Nanggaling to sa closet ni Kuya since andun siya initially. So we will fix this. Actually, also declutter kasi marami dyan na hindi na ako ginagamit. And then, this is the current situation of the cabinet. I told you na dito natin ilalagay yung mga drawers natin since parang, you know, everything is just all over the place. So, first step is to clothes muna. We'll deal with the clothes and then the things inside. Tapos, we're also getting rid of all the colored hangers. Ayan. Sana maging enough sila. Meron pa ako dun. Alisin din natin to. So, tara, let us do that. Kinakabahan ako. Sana matapos ko to today. Activewear na napakadami na hindi naman nagagamit. A lot of bralettes. More clothes I need to sort. So, guys, I'm now in the process of fixing the clothes. And hopefully, this video will be helpful. And I'm not a pro when it comes to organizing, but I'll try to share some of the things I will do in this closet para ma-maximize yung space and also para mas mukha siyang neat and organized. So, malapit na guys. Malapit na. Wait. So, guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na parang may weird space dito. Na parang, hindi siya kapantay nito. Tapos, may weird gap dito. Kung nakikita nyo, meron ding space dito. Ito yung door. Pero, until dito, may space siya pa ganun. So, ang purpose daw pala nun, according to my mom, is for my gowns and dresses. But now, sayang yung space. So, iniisip ko paano yung best way na ma-maximize to. So, naisip ko lagyan siya ng box at saka ng mga organizer. So, meron akong parang ganito. Ito yung space. So, I'm gonna put this here. Tapos, nabili ko ito sa SM store. Sakto siya. Wait lang, struggle is real. Ayan. O, diba? So, sakto na siya dyan. Wait lang. I got another one. Yan. Since hindi naman na mahahaba yung clothes, na-maximize natin tong space na to. And I chose this para nga kahit nakastack siya. I'm thinking of putting mga activewear dito. And then, makukuha ko pa din siya since it opens this way. Makukuha ko pa rin yung gamit. Dito nilagay ko bralettes, crop tops, sleeveless tops. Later, I'll share with you in detail kung paano ko inorganize lahat. But yan, ito yung naging workaround ko para magamit tong space na to. Actually, I'm thinking pwede pa nga maglagay ng isa pa dito eh. Don't worry guys, hindi na ako nagbo-mall. So, ito, I got it from the SM store. May call to deliver sila. And if you wanna know how you can also do that, I'm gonna insert the clip here. Super quick lang naman para you guys know how to call them if ever you need something. After this clip, we'll be back to organize. Since now we stay at home as much as we can, I'm gonna share with you how you guys can also call to deliver from the SM store para you don't have to leave your house anymore. So first step is to join the SM store community on Viber. And here you'll see a lot of updates and new offers. And daming promos here. You can see a lot of items here so you can choose from here. After you join the Viber group, all you have to do is call #143SM. So, I'm gonna do it with you guys para real time.
Thank you for calling the SM Store Call to Deliver hotline.
Thank you for calling the SM Store Call to Deliver hotline. This is Raymond.
I'm gonna place an order.
Ang contact number niyo po, ito po ma'am, 0917. And may I have your address po ma'am?
I'll get the Urban Home trash bin. Okay.
Okay po ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you po ma'am.
Thank
you for
you.
calling the SM Store Call to Deliver hotline. Have a great day.
Bye. Okay, so now that we have placed our order, we're just gonna wait for the confirmation via Viber or they're gonna call me. And I think it's gonna arrive tomorrow, so I'll share the items that I ordered tomorrow. Ayan guys, so nagte-text naman yung branch nyo. So that's SM Marilao asking for my mode of payment. So sabihin ko na lang sa kanila is COD. Ayun, tapos if you have SM Advantage also, let them know. Okay, there. Those are my organizers. It was in the CR. Ayan, it was delivered by the SM store. So guys, here are the things that I got from the SM store. Itong mega box. Meron pa ako in-order na 2 white ones. This Ottoman na box, small trash bin na I can put on top of a table for small mga trash. And super excited to finally use this. This is a scented candle plus diffuser. So I'm thinking of trying first itong Rose Garden and Mint. dami kong napupulot, at least ngayon, alam ko na saan sila ilalagay. O, power bank. Dito sa tech area natin. So, ito, like, yung mga personal stuff ko for office, like, mga agenda, ganyan. OR, calculator, mga office stuff. I mean, hindi naman siya permanent, but at least it is organized and stored well. Hindi katulad dati na literal lahat sila nandito lang. Okay, so like what I mentioned earlier, there are so many ways you can organize your clothes. It's either by the cut, meaning if it's crop, if it's long, if it's sleeveless, if it's like with sleeves. You can do it by color or you can do it by texture. And I kind of did all three of them, and I'll share with you how I did that. And anytime, and in the middle of the video, I'm just gonna pop up some tips that hopefully will help you guys also in organizing anything in your home, in your rooms. So, in this area, I decided to put all of my Zara basic tops that are all ribbed and knitted. So, I organized it by cut and by texture. So, ayan, lahat to ay ribbed. As you can see, it's all ribbed. I started from blacks and whites and then moved on to the neutral colors. Tapos dun na sa may mga pop of color. And then here, dito ko lang nilagay mga bodysuits ko. And since it's cropped, then I still have this extra space where I could put other things. Right now, I still don't know kung anong ilalagay ko dito, but at least I have this area where I can put yung, let's say, bags or whatever. Right now, the Chanel babies are here. They're not gonna be here permanently kasi we'll have a dedicated space for them lapit dun sa vanity natin. So, another tip is that using uniform hangers will really make your space look more neat and parang mas put together. So I decided to go with a cream kind of velvet hangers. You don't have to get the most expensive ones, basta pare-pareho lang sila. Hindi siya masakit sa mata since pare-pareho sila. And I also suggest that you hang your clothes facing the same way. So for example, all of the logos or all of the front ng clothes should be facing that way. So wala lang, para mas neat siya tignan, I guess. If you have clothes that are extremely long and then you don't want it dangling on the floor or you want to maximize the space under your closet, I suggest you just hang it in a folded way. Yung mga mahahabang dress. So after the dresses, nilagay ko lang dito yung mga lounge pants ko. So the pants that I usually use. And another tip is that if you want to save on hangers, you can hang two lightweight pants in one hanger, basta same sila ng fabric. Like for example, I have this one. Pinagsama ko na lang sila in one hanger. One brown and one black. This one. This one is both linen. So I have two white linen pants. And again, to save up on space and hanger, pinagsama ko na lang sila. Tabi-tabi din ulit yung mga rib, diba? And then here yung mga jogger pants ko, yung iba nasa laundry. And then the items that I rarely use, sila yung nilagay ko dun sa dulo. And nandito na yung mga drawers ko. Huwag niyo i-judge yung handles, hindi pa yan yung final. Here are my underwear. So, nandyan yung bra ko, panties, and socks. Here naman, I decided to put all of my pambahay tops, like my home clothes, and we decided to fold it this way kasi before I used to fold it, I used to stack them, and then ang hirap kasi kung ano lang yung nasa taas, yun lang yung magagamit mo, and then when you want something that's under there, parang masisira na yung buong stack. So this way, it's easier to get things, makikita mo agad kung ano yung print niya, so madali lang. And then I also have this divider to divide yung parang super pambahay and yung mga clothes na pwede pa namang ipanglabas. Here naman, we have the shorts. So, as you can see, it's also divided. So, these are the pambahay shorts and these are the denim shorts that I can use whenever I have to run errands or whenever I have to go out. And as you can see, konti na lang talaga yung clothes na inuwi ko dito sa province because most of the time we're just home. And in this drawer, sa pinakadulo, intentionally ko siya ginawang empty because I know I always buy clothes. So, if dumating man yung time na kailanganin ko ng extra space for them, then at least meron. Nahirapan to ako dito sa side na to because like what I said, parang very irregular yung space niya, but I really wanted to maximize this area. So what I did, dun sa pinakadulo, I'll show you. So sa pinakadulo, you can see 2 boxes na stacked together and nandyan yung mga activewear ko and swimsuits ko. On the areas where it's a bit hard to get things from and whenever you stack boxes na parang mahirap buksan, make sure the things that are in there are the things you don't use on a daily basis para hindi kayo mahirapan buksan. So I decided to get this type of drawer para again, madali siyang buksan. These are my bralettes. And then here naman sa middle, I have my sleeveless tops. And then here sa pinaka left side, I have all of my crop tops. So yung mga small pieces of clothing, dito na lang sila. Kasi pag hinanger ko pa yan, it's gonna take up a lot of space. Here naman sa bottom, we have all of my lounge shorts. Kita nyo ba doon? Like yung mga Adidas. Andito naman yung mga activewear ko. So, pag nag-decide ako na bumalik na mag-workout, then I could just simply get from here. Sobrang dami kong activewear. So, yung iba, tinago ko muna. Alright, that is it for this side of the closet. Let's move to the other side. Ito na yung mas colorful part kasi dun parang mas neutral colors. Here yung mas may mga pop of color. Ayan, ito usually yung mga parang mas dressy na clothes. So, ayan. I also have some of my designer items here. I don't have a lot of designer clothes, but whenever I want to, whenever I'll buy them, I make sure na it's something I can use paulit-ulit. I learned that from heart kasi they're expensive for a reason. So, you should be able to wear it paulit-ulit. And you guys know my style. I'm very chill, very street sometimes, but basta very lax lang talaga ako. So, I really like yung mga parang statement piece lang na I could use paulit-ulit. Just like this Gucci shirt, di ba? Parang basic shirt siya na pwede mong paulit-ulit. At that way, ma-ROI mo siya. So, ayan. This one is also cute. This rainbow Balenciaga. I love Balenciaga shirts. I have that in red also. Ayan. And then, I also have a few Givenchy. Ayan. I have this in pullover also and in white. Ano pa ba yung mga nandito? Burberry, ganyan. Meron din akong black nito. I think nakita nyo na yun. Like, jackets. Ayan, this one from Gucci is a jacket na I can use every time I travel. So, talagang masusulit mo siya. Every time meron kayong parang pair or you hang them together, para hindi sila mawawala. Kasi tignan nyo to. Itong Gucci ko na tracksuit. Hindi ko na alam nasan yung pants. And then, I have here yung Fendi ko na pants. Itong Fendi ko na pants. Diba tracksuit din to? I think you guys saw that in my Dubai vlog. Hindi ko na rin makita yung jacket nito. So, I really suggest na you parang hang them together kapag pair sila so that it's easier to find them. Like, for example, I have this pair. So, ayan, I hang the pants inside and then the top outside. So, they're always together. And hindi sila mawawala. I mean, you can always mix and match, but at least, diba, lagi silang magkasama. So, ayan, magkasama sila. Hindi na sila mawawala. Or at least, hindi mo na sila misplace. Ewan ko, ako lang ata nakaka-misplace ng clothes. Or siguro because I've been going back and forth from Bulacan to QC. So, hindi ko na rin alam asan yung mga gamit ko. Another parang lounge set. So, together sila. So, in this area, I decided to just put my bags, yung malalaki. Kasi, ito yung mga parang pang everyday meeting bags, errands bag ko. So, my book tote is here and my Neverfull is here. So, every time I need it, it's just there. And everything that's inside this, it needs to be sanitized before being inside the closet. I'm a bit proud of this because this area, if you've seen my IG story, it's really a mess. It's a complete mess. Everything is just here. And using these organizers, parang mas naging malinis talaga siya tignan. And this way, masusort ko na yung things ko. So, I'm gonna ask you guys to move closer to me. So, this is my beauty box. So, nandito yung mga beauty tech ko. Like, may nano mist. You guys know this. I love this so much. Ayan o. Sobrang love this. May IPL. Nandito yung IPL ko. So, andito yung shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So, every time I sleep over sa house sa QC, ito lang yung dadalhin ko. My brush for exfoliating ng body. And in this pouch, all of my parang beauty kinemberlu are here. Like my hot and cold massager, my RF, and my electric gua siya. So this is my tech drawer. Sobrang daming wires. And I think I have have to buy pa yung mga tray sa loob para mas maayos sila tignan. But at least, diba, kahit magulo sila sa loob, hindi masyadong halata. Lahat ng power bank, extra cord, speaker, and then I have here my pencil, yung box ng Samsung, box ng Huawei, box ng iPhone, lahat ng klaseng cellphone. We have here all of my beauty stuff. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo dito parang per pouch na siya kasi this is separated na. Like, this one, beauty tools lang to. Ito, ang laman nito, puro mga eye products. My eyeshadow palettes are here. Ito, mga base products. Ito, mga lipstick, ganyan. Basta lahat yan naka-organize na sila. Like, for example, in this case, we have all of the eyeliners and lip pencils, eye pencils, all pencils, ganyan. I have my film cameras here. Ito, yung Printos na printer. This is, ipapag-giveaway ko to, guys. Wait lang kayo. But more on parang hobby basket. Parang ganun. Ayan. I have here on top is yung ginagamit ko na yung mga items ko for office. Ayan, like for example, mga papers na kailangan pang itago, my notebook, my planner, OR, ganyan. So, cute ng calculator ko. Super love ko to. Sobrang cute ng color. And I have here also my agenda planners. The other one is for my handler. Hindi ko palang nabibigay sa kanya. In this area, I have a lot of accessories. Wala pa yung accessories area natin. And alam ko na kahit dumating na yun, marami pa din akong accessories na hindi kasya doon. So, like sunglasses. Ito yung Gentle Monster na Jenny ko. Gumawa talaga ako ng specific space for accessories just in case marami pa akong dumating.